Have you ever wondered why, no matter how many hair repair products you use, you still end up with the same damaged and dry hair? Introducing a Maxi Honeycomb Therapy Dryer with evolutionary twin deep penetrating infrared lights which dry hair by infusing gentle heat while stimulating blood circulation within your scalp to give you stronger, glossier and healthier looking hair. Its honeycomb-shaped heating element cuts drying time in half while using 40% in conventional dryers. Now, let's witness the healing. A Maxi.